I think I've hired all kinds, rigid as well as agile, but I can tell you that rigid in our case never survived. हमारे पास हमारे साथ आने का सिर्फ एक ही पर्पस रीजन पॉइंट होना चाहिए दैट यू वांट टू फायर पावर योर ग्रोथ, यू वांट टू amplify your experience and exposure by now learning the new way and augmenting your experience with that new way. आप क्रिकेट खेलते आए थे, अब है तो बैटर बॉल, पर आपने डिस्कवर किया बेसबॉल है. मतलब अभी तो रूल भी बदलना है, सब कुछ चेंज, सब बदल गया है, पर यू स्टिल आर सपोज टू परफॉर्म एग्जैक्टली एट पार विद व्हाट यू हैव बीन प्लेइंग फॉर लास्ट 10. आप जब कम पैसे कमाते हैं जिंदगी में तो डिस्काउंट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, जब ज्यादा पैसे कमाते हैं तो क्वालिटी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. व्हाट हैपेंड हियर? माइंडसेट चेंज्ड. पर क्या अब आपको ऐसे लोग नहीं मिलते जो कमाते ठीक है पर अभी भी डिस्काउंट ढूंढते हैं एंड क्वालिटी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते रहते हैं? क्या हुआ उधर? माइंडसेट नहीं चाहिए. My answer to that will be yes. I think I've hired all kinds, rigid as well as agile. But I can tell you that rigid in our case never survived. So I'll start with that. And uska reason bhi, because see, we are a small company, growing company, taking on challenges in the world. Some of them have not been done ever. So there's a lot of new challenges which we are facing for the first time as a company in the world, like new tech. वो टेक ही 10 साल पुरानी है, तो वो चैलेंज ही किसी ने फेस नहीं किया, क्योंकि वो चैलेंज भी 10 ही साल पुराना है. वो चैलेंज ही उस टेक के साथ आया. एंड ग्रोइंग स्टार्टअप्स, young companies have to be disruptive. That is the only way. Otherwise, how will you stand in front of incumbents? You don't have a space in this world. If I'm doing what Oracle does, then Oracle already has the market. Like, where do I have space? I can only create space when I do something different or disruptive. It disrupts Oracle's way of working and delivers value to the customer more than Oracle. Then only I have business. So I think whenever we hired somebody who turned out to be rigid and not agile, they didn't make it. Possible ही नहीं, कोई तरीका ही नहीं. To your question, I'll tell you what I tell a lot of senior folks, and we keep hiring a lot of senior folks, much elder to me. We have so many people who are 10, 15 years elder to me, experienced. I always tell them, देखिए, we are bringing you in because we believe that you have seen more than we have done. And we value it a lot. हम जहां पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप वो वाला स्केल, वाला प्रॉब्लम्स, वाली गुडनेस देख चुके हैं, आपको पता है, it's done and dusted for you in some way or form. So there's a lot to learn. Clearly, we can use your help in understanding that. But I always also tell them, Kina, we will teach you some new ways which you have not seen. While we will remain open to learning from you, my only request is keep some appetite to learn from us. Because that is the only way. And it's not a give and take. It is why you are coming here. आपके पास जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी है, आप किधर भी जा सकते हो. You can still join an IBM. हमारे पास आने का पॉइंट ही है, हमारे पास हमारे साथ आने का सिर्फ एक ही पर्पस रीजन पॉइंट होना चाहिए दैट यू वांट टू फायर पावर योर ग्रोथ, यू वांट टू amplify your experience and exposure by now learning the new way and augmenting your experience with that new way, right? It's like a experienced driver, but this time on a Ferrari. So Ferrari itself can't drive itself, right? It still needs an experienced driver. An experienced driver can do so many good things. You have to still understand that it's the beast that you're riding has its own ways, and these are new. Learn it. So, and I think we have had the fortune of working, like, we have so many people who are extremely agile. I think I should actually name, like, for example, Ranjit. Ranjit is the man behind our tech. And I can tell you that the amount of changes in tech stack, in way of tech, in way we build our product, the way we run our product, the way world has shifted, from fundamentals in tech, and how Ranjit has continuously reinvented himself from ashes. And trust me, it has been ashes at times. There have been times where Ranjit almost felt, what the fuck? Where we felt, what the fuck? And it was not about Ranjit. It was like, आपका अरीना बदल गया. आप क्रिकेट खेलते आए थे, अब है तो बैटर बॉल, पर आपने डिस्कवर किया बेसबॉल है, मतलब अभी तो रूल भी बदलना है, सब कुछ चेंज, सब बदल गया है, पर you still are supposed to perform exactly at par with what you've been playing for last 10, 20 years, right? So he has reinvented himself continuously. Ilyas, has continuously reinvented himself. And it's not easy. Absolutely not easy. Because when you are reinventing yourself, you are basically, it's not about just learning 2 more tricks and 3 more skills. It's really about changing the way you think, the way you behave, the way your reflexes change, to a certain thing. अभी आप ठेले वाले के पास जाएं वर्सेस आप 5 स्टार होटल में, 5 स्टार होटल में अगर किसी ने बिना ग्लव्स के आपका खाना छू दिया गलती से, वर्सेस ठेले पे किसी ने आपका खाना छू दिया गलती से, सवाल ये नहीं है कि दोनों में से कौन हाइजीनिक है, सवाल ये है कि हाउ विल दे फील अबाउट इट इन दैट मोमेंट. ठेले वाला विल से कि हाँ तो क्या हुआ, ये आपने छू दिया, वो तो देखा मैंने, पर क्या हुआ क्या. प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि वो हाइजीन मेंटेन नहीं करता है, प्रॉब्लम ये उसको अकर भी नहीं हो रहा है कि ये अनहाइजीनिक है. दैट इज वेयर द चेंज इज. सो ठेले वाले को हाइजीन सिखा सकते हो आप, माइंडसेट कैसे दोगे, राइट? समबडी हैज टू, सो फॉर दैट पर्सन टू एक्चुअली चेंज, द चेंज इज नॉट इन द विजिबल क्लीनलीनेस और हाइजीन. द चेंज स्टार्ट्स हियर. हाउ दे रिएक्ट टू अ सर्टेन थिंग, व्हाट इज देयर रिफ्लेक्स, what is it that they feel is non-negotiable? What is it that they feel is important? Like priority order of what is important. आप जब कम पैसे कमाते हैं जिंदगी में तो डिस्काउंट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, जब ज्यादा पैसे कमाते हैं तो क्वालिटी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. What happened here? Mindset changed. पर क्या अब आपको ऐसे लोग नहीं मिलते जो कमाते ठीक है पर अभी भी डिस्काउंट ढूंढते हैं एंड क्वालिटी से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते रहते हैं? क्या हुआ उधर? माइंडसेट नहीं चेंज हुआ. Right? So being agile is not really about, or growth is not in one dimension. Growth is not about your designation, your responsibility, or your money. Growth is really about mindset. How things change for you, how they start occurring to you differently, how you react to them, and how the reactions naturally, change. And if that happens, that's when, the change is real. I'm not very proud of it, but I used to consider myself a very, very good driver. I still am. मैंने कभी कोई एक्सीडेंट नहीं किया, पर I was a rash driver, and I was like a proper bad rash driver. And when I look back, I'm like कि भाई साहब, like I can't really understand what was going on there. And I used to take a lot of pride in that, by the way. I used to drive my bike at 120 on Delhi roads, which is absolutely unbelievable. Like absolutely unbelievable. I can't look back and understand what was going on. And then eventually there came a point where I stopped driving. I stopped driving 7-8 years back. And funnily, why did I stop driving? Because I thought roads are unsafe. I stopped driving because I thought, one, of course, I don't want to be in traffic and driving for work. 2, let me help you understand why I said roads are unsafe. I actually, stopped driving or, employed a driver full time for the first time because I thought that if I am behind the wheel, even though I am driving slow, if somebody else gets into a conflict with me, I am at full exposure. Not interested. I want to be a backseat driver because car is for utility, from going from point A to point B. It should be a decent car. It should, help me travel safely, and it should be driven by somebody else because whoever drives has the liability of the road. So my driver is because of that, not because of anything else. And now what happened here? It's a shift. Right? So if somebody will ask me, so have you grown from, age 21 to 38? I will say, yeah, quite a lot. Right? Because my life understanding changed. And I'm not talking about which one is better. But I'm saying that how life occurs to me changed. How I look at things changed. And every time that orbital shift happens, I feel I'm growing.